Alright guys, check it out. This is one of my problems. This is a fuel pump line regulator. Got a brand new in the mail. And it's leaking. If you look really closely on this red little knob, there is a crack right there. Another thing I did was weld this together, paint it, because it was not on there to the metal plate at all. Looked like I disturbed a bunch of ants because they're all running like crazy. But there is a spider, a jumping spider. Maybe you can see him, maybe you can't. Very cool. Gotta put the bracket back on there and let that dry. Good to go. Fuel regulators on. Greasing up the steel wheel mechanics. Got one here, one here. This one is locked up. Can't get it to turn. Alright, greased up everything. Put it back, but there's an issue. That bracket is broken. So if I turn the wheel, it doesn't turn.